Alright YouTube, welcome back to another video. For today, it's going to be again sponsored by VinylFrog. So they sent out a big old roll for me to go ahead and wrap up my fenders and possibly my hood. To be determined if I'm going to do the hood or not, but I'm definitely going to be doing the fenders. Really happy that they sent this out. So a lot of appreciation towards you guys. Sophia in specific, thanks a lot if you're watching this video. So other than that, let's go and get this unrolled and get this process started. Alright, for those who are newer to the channel or just happen to stumble upon this specific video, keep in mind I am no professional when it comes to wrapping. The only wrapping experience I really have is doing the roof of my Lancer and the roof of my Blazer. Other than that, that's pretty much all I really got. So I did pick up a new heat gun. Prior to that, I was always using a hair dryer. So let me go ahead and break down some of the tools that's going to help you out during this process. So like I said, my newly acquired heat gun. I have a little felt little squeegee, razor blade for obvious reasons, nice pair of gloves, water bottle, that'll be applied if I really need to, can help spray around all the air bubbles. Knifeless tape, you never know if you're gonna ever need it. So I don't think we'll need it for this project, but I do have it here. And then 4 magnets to kind of help assist getting the vinyl where we need it. So that's pretty much about it for tool wise. Here's the car as she stands. And like I said, for today's video, we're going to concentrate here on the fender. So this whole panel is going to be wrapped in the rainbow metallic. Brought to you by VinylFrogs. So one of the more important things you got to do prior to starting this job is prep your vehicle surface. So if it's somewhere towards the front of the car or somewhere where there's a lot of rock chips and stuff like that, you might want to clay bar it, get all that junk off of it, and proceed with that. So I've already done that with the fenders as I was waiting for the wrap to get sent over here. So they're all done. They've been clay barred. I'm pretty much just going to go ahead and wipe them down one last quick time to get any dust off of the car. Alright, nice and clean to make our life a little easier. With tucking stuff, we'll probably end up removing this little cover here. Remove our side blinker light. That's just going to assist us on getting that vinyl on nice and easy. So I did pop off the little side mirror piece. Used a little trim removal tool for that. Just held them by 2 little clips. We'll pop off this guy, easy as such. And we'll go ahead and disconnect this guy as well. By the way, rest assured, when they send this to you, they mean business. That was all taped off pretty well. And here is our roll. Let's go ahead and get this out of the big old tube. It was just Christmas, but I feel like it's Christmas all over again. I'm pretty excited about this. Here is our wrap. Like I said, this is gorgeous. You know what, let's go ahead and clay bar this front piece. See how that looks. Alright, clay bar is all done. Go ahead and wipe the surface. Let's see how this front piece is going to look. So since this front end is all plastic, I can't really use our magnet. But I have a little cut strip that we're going to go ahead and use. So let's go ahead and throw that on the front. Oh yeah, look at that. That's going to come out super nice. Like the tone of it. So the good thing about this vinyl, it's pretty easy to work with. As you can see, I have a little crease right there. I'm gonna hit it with some heat, it'll be able to stretch, and we'll get that fixed right away. So now that it's all laid out, I'm just going to go apply some heat along all the edges, seal everything off. Then we'll go ahead and cut and reveal. As you can see, it's kind of melting to its edges. That's what we want to see. Nice and conformed. So real quick, when you're on a crease or panel to panel, you always want to cut on the outer side. So we want this to retain, we want that to go. So we're going to go ahead and cut along the outside. That way we can tuck it underneath. Well, like I said, I'm no professional, but let's go ahead and tear this top portion off. So a little bit of heat and a little bit of tucking with your squeegee, and you'll be all set. Just like so. Look at that. Alright, look at that transition. Super nice. Can't wait to get that bottom portion done. I think it's going to come out super clean. Look at that, cleans it right up. And then we can work that out as well. But look at that, nice sharp line. Alright, well sadly dad duty calls. I got some dad duty stuff to go take care of. However, we did get done that little front portion on the bumper. I'll pull the car out real fast so you guys can see what it looks like in the sunlight. I think I'm going to do the front piece and then the 2 fenders. I think it's going to come out super nice. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns in regards to installing vinyl wrap, remember, I'm not a professional, but I can give you my little 2 cents on what helps me do it. Yeah, so again, thanks to VinylFrog for sending out the wrap. And looking forward to getting the fenders done. So other than that, I want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life on idle. See you guys in the next one. Peace. Alright. That looks freaking sick. I am not even gonna lie. Wow. Can't wait to get the fenders on.